So this is DotStorming, and this is basically a really easy um, website where you can just click on or type in DotStorming into Google. And when you click on it, it takes you to this page, and it gives you step by step, so easy for teachers and students to use as well. So I'm gonna log in. All right, so here is basically where it's gonna take you. You add boards to where you can invite your students to share their responses of whatever you want to put on here based on what you taught in the class, and see where the students are at. So I already made 2, so we'll just go to this one. What have you learned from the book you're reading? And so this is what's going to look like. And on the bottom right here, it shows the participants who is in it. To add the students, you click on share. Oops. And all they have to do is basically just type this top one right here. They just type this into their phones or into their laptops, and bam, they're already in. So let me show you in a quick example. Okay, so after they type that in, it's going to take some time, which is okay. And then it shows you on the bottom who all joined. And so here, add a card. It basically means where they could just type their response on what they read from their books. So that's just text, basically. And then upload an image. That's basically instead of using text, you can use an image. Like you can put a picture of the book that you're reading, and then you can add your text. So it's pretty easy. This website is really fun to use. And what's really cool about it is that you can also vote for students can vote on other students' responses and what they like the most. So I'm just going to show you an example. So that is basically it. Pretty much it. Oh, there you go. It finally popped up. I was waiting for it. So this is the other student, Mary Helens, and she put, the book I'm reading is about cats who live by clans, and they try to take other regions to conquer. So if you like it, you can also like it, vote on it, and then you can also comment as well. So this is a pretty simple website to use for the classroom. For teachers can use this, for students, like I said, they can use it to see to check students' understanding on what they heard, what they read from class.